ये एक एंडोन बोर्ड का सेटअप का हम आपको बेसिक चीज दिखा रहे हैं. वी आर शोइंग यू ए बेसिक arrangement of a Andon system which are meant for showing status of the production line. Say for you have a production line, 20 production line or 15 production line. But here we are showing a 4 production line which are there, and they have 4 status to show to their supervisor that whether these 4 status can be, one of them can be material finished, machine in breakdown, something emergency, operator not available, or anything, and one is a cancel button. These 4 button will reflect on this keypad. This keypad will have 4 buttons and one cancel button. This cancel button acknowledges whenever there is call is raised by the operator, say for example 1, 2, 3 or 4, then the operator will come and by pressing this button he will acknowledge the call that yes, this has been addressed to. On pressing of any status, say for example material finished, so you designate red light status for that. So by pressing this button, this red light status will glow. Simultaneously, the signal will also reach to this motherboard through RF. RF signal. RF stands for radio frequency. So this keypad, which is also a wireless, will is a transmitter actually, will send the signal in RF form to this motherboard. This is motherboard. Now this also second production line also sends the signal. Similarly, it can press button 2, which may indicate green light, or as per your designation this will also send the signal to this motherboard. Similarly this, and yes, this can also send the signal. So after receiving this all the signals, what this motherboard does, it compiles the grid. It compiles the grid of status and put it on the Wi-Fi. This motherboard is connected to Wi-Fi, your Wi-Fi. This Wi-Fi you have to provide. So once this motherboard is connected to your Wi-Fi, this all the signal status received on this will be posted on one of the IP to your router. Now on that particular IP, any smart device connected to that Wi-Fi can show you this status, running status on that particular IP. You have to open that IP in the browser. You have to open that IP in the browser, yes, and you can see the current status. So you can watch it on your laptop, computer, smartphone, any device which is connected to your Wi-Fi and can open the browser. So this is how it completes the complete loop. This is the basic functionality. You can have one additional facility of data logger. What is this data logger? This data logger logs all the calls of material finished, machine breakdown, their starting time and closing time, acknowledgement time. So this will have how much time your particular line was in breakdown. This Layout can be designed by as per your specification. The color, logo, and anything, you can design this screen as per your requirement. So this was all. You can also take different view on different IP. So all the combination and permutations are available to this. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any other query, please call me on this number 96437 31133. Thanks.